One. All right.
I guess I'll go first.
I will laugh. I will literally jump down. I'll see.
Big guy. Here you go.
Oh man.
Okay. Yep. Okay. Go. That's okay. Go for it. User effects. Yeah.
I'm just going to tell the tables one at a time because I know no one's going to listen if I tell everybody at once. But from now on, prizes for top 8 are going to be a little bit different. You're not going to get packs, you're going to get store credit.
That's fine.
So it's better for most people. Most people don't want packs. You still have the option to get the packs.
Right.
But before it was we give you the packs and you had no choice about it. If you want to store credit, you have to give the packs back at $2 a pack.
Yeah.
Well, this way your store credit will be higher to start with. So if, instead of winning 6 packs, you'll win the 20 credit.
Oh, okay, that's better.
So you won't have to trade them in and only get 12.
Yeah.
So it's better for the players.
Yeah. I'm like, where did that come from?
I'm sorry. He was just talking, but I figured I'd let you finish.
Yeah. Synchro?
Maybe. Episode.
Sure.
My turn?
Yep.
Card in hand.
1.
Summon. Okay. We're gonna summon Swatch Star.
Okay.
Thanks. I'll make one level 3.
Okay.
Thanks.
Okay.
The card in your hand.
Okay.
I'll take 38. No. You're 42. Go ahead.
Go.
That would be special. Another attack.
Check.
What do you do?
Let's do this time.
Change.
Carry.
My turn?
Yep. Good.
What was your face down?